Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to show you a powerful way to completely transform how you do literature reviews. Are you still using ChatGPT and other tools for literature reviews? But what if one tool could do the entire systematic literature review for you? Literature reviews can be slow, overwhelming, and messy. There are too many papers, too many tools, too many AI tools these days, and too many tabs. Meet SciSpace, an all-in-one AI research platform for discovery, literature review, analysis, writing, and citations, all in one place. Now let's look at something even more powerful, the SciSpace SLR Agent. Start with your research question. Make sure to include SLR, or Systematic Literature Review, in your prompt. The SLR Agent runs a PRISMA-Compliant review across 3,000 plus papers in under 60 minutes. You can time it. I have, and it really works. Watch what happens. Notice the automatic screening begin. Duplicates are removed. Papers are filtered using intelligent criteria. The system extracts insights from full text papers, from search results to abstract screening to full text screening to data extraction. Everything is organized for you. A complete PRISMA-compliant report is generated, including the PRISMA diagram. I love this, and final outputs. And this part is absolutely amazing. You are always in control. So you are actually a huge part of it, and your critical thinking is there every step of the way. You define your research questions. You set inclusion and exclusion criteria. You customized every step of the process. So are you ready to compare ChatGPT with this? Because ChatGPT gives you summaries, which is amazing. SciSpace gives you a complete research workflow, faster, more structured, more transparent, and you are there every single step of the way. But it doesn't stop there. SciSpace includes powerful skills. Find grants, generate presentations, and even create websites. All these are an additional part of the literature review. The system automatically selects the right skill based on your request, your prompt. If you're working on multiple research projects, this becomes even more valuable. The max plan gives you 40,000 credits, allowing you to run more questions, more prompts, more searches, and deeper analysis without limits. Can you imagine that? If you're serious about research, this is something you need to try. Check the link below and use my discount code to get started. Smarter research starts here with SciSpace. Please add your comments to this video. Like and subscribe for more. I'd love to know how it goes. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.